Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you had an amazing Christmas and a wonderful new year. It's been a while since I've been on camera, but today I want to share with you guys how I made Christmas gifts for my parents and a few of my close friends. If you have like a special birthday coming up, this would be perfect, and it's totally customizable, and it's actually something I've always wanted to try, to turn paper into fabric. Anyways, I hope you like this DIY. Let's get started. Okay, to make your tapestry, you'll need 2 dowels, a printable, some fabric Mod Podge and matte Mod Podge, and a plastic spreader. You can get this printable on my blog. I'll attach the link in the description. Here's a close-up on my fabric. I believe this is called thick canvas. To begin, start by laying your printable on top of your iron fabric. Then, working in about 5-inch sections, pull back your print and apply a strip of your fabric Mod Podge to your fabric. Carefully lay your print onto the Mod Podged area and use your plastic spreader to remove any air bubbles, working your way from the center to the edges. For this step, make sure you don't catch any Mod Podge onto your spreader to avoid the print from smudging. Once you've finished a 5-inch section, pull back your printable carefully. Make sure you don't fold it down or pull too hard because this will cause creasing. Use your brush instead to get under your printable with Mod Podge as much as possible so you don't end up with gaps of no Mod Podge. Then apply another 5-inch section of Mod Podge, lay down your printable, and remove the air bubbles with your plastic spreader again. Keep repeating these steps until you've attached the whole printable to your fabric. Okay, following that, apply an even layer of matte Mod Podge on top of your printable. Notice this matte Mod Podge is a lot more runny than the previous fabric version, which helps apply much better. To minimize any smudging on your print, try not to go over the same area twice. It's better to have the top of your printable sealed with matte Mod Podge before the fabric Mod Podge beneath it dries completely. So this is best done with 2 people if you're working on a huge printable. This one was a width of about 25 inches. Okay, then use your stapler to attach your dowels, working your way from one end to the other while your printable is flipped upside down. And that's it. I hope you love this DIY. You can use any printable you'd like for this project. To get this printable and for more info, visit the link below. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe for more fun DIYs. I'll see you all next time. Bye. Happy crafting!